What up, sweetness? Today is a really busy day. We woke up so early this morning to go to gym and we worked out a schedule. Today is also the Revlon event, which you guys have probably seen on my social medias where I'm taking a follower with. I'm so excited to meet her. And now we are just busy setting up our little familial space here in our filming corner for me and Candy's man. We are going to film our husband. We are going to film our second part of the relationship series called Our Imperfect Love Story, and it will probably be up already by the time you watch this vlog. But if you haven't seen it, make sure to check it out, because we share like all the realness of relationship, we tell a story, and yeah, it's gonna go on for weeks and weeks, so there's gonna be lots of content coming your way. So then we got a little bit of a styling video. Kev is styling, I'm styling, then we're heading out to the Revlon event. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let's get started. Woo! We just finished filming Kev's styling video. We are going to film mine now. Salad vibes. Couples who diet together stay together. No, that's a lie. Diet can sometimes make you very nasty.
Hey, put what you gravy?
When you're hungry. You know what I was thinking about while we filmed our relationship video? Was thinking on your screen on too. This is like a salad mukbang. You know what I was thinking about? When we just started dating, we watched movie in your room on the TV, the computer screen you had, because he had like tons of movies on his computer screen. And I used to wear pumps, and when you wear pumps for a while, they start to smell not so good after a while. And I didn't want to put my feet on his bed, and he was like, put your feet on the bed, like take your shoes off. Now you're in beginning stages of relationship, you don't want to take your shoes off because your feet are smelly. So I ended up taking when we went to the bathroom, I took off my shoes and I like wrapped my shoes in the duvet. So like I literally wrapped my feet so it wouldn't smell my stinky feet. Now I don't care.
My feet don't smell either. You don't wear pumps.
I don't wear pumps. I just sent my little front row hair extension video, oops, to the lady from Front Row Hair. So we might also just upload that now, and then we need to leave. Do you like my hair, husband? I like this tie-dye look with the pink lips. It's so cute. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Do you think I should have added a wing? Because obviously by the time you replying to this video, I obviously went to the event. Or do you like this natural look, or do you think I should have added a wing? Let me know, brother.
Naturally.
Safety first. Safety first. Jesus, got my coke. Yo, it's so hot. 39 degrees, and this morning it was 13 degrees when we went to gym, which is insane. This is like when you get sick. Ag en dankie dat jy geënder is, soos rarig, dit is so special. Nee, dit is lekker om jou te hê, kyk hoe.
Ja, ek is baie nervous.
Nee man, moenie weet dit gaan van wees.
Ja, dit gaan.
Jy gaan heeltyd so my uitdang.
Ja.
Well, we just stand around looking cute.
Ja. I've been like forced in shape.
Girl, I've been there too. I've been there too. Fun event. I hope you guys enjoyed it with me, and it was so lovely to meet Danielle and even Michaela. I didn't get her on camera though, but she was also there, so thank you guys so much for saying hi, and for Danielle for coming, and Revlon for hosting this amazing event. Yeah. Good morning guys. Like smiles. And not complain that I'm tired, because I think we all are tired. We all feel tired when we wake up. So I'm gonna film now. I actually set my alarm for 4 o'clock this morning to get ready and film, but I just couldn't. So it is now 6:30. I'm gonna start working immediately, and yeah, I'm just gonna take you on another day with me, and hope you enjoy it. We are at Forest Mall. Kev's gonna sit and work a little bit at Starbucks while I'm attending an event. But actually I'm also going to Starbucks because I need to get some stuff done. But yeah, so we came a bit early.
Very early.
The early bird
Is the worm.
Why is it the worm?
That's early.
this highlighter in. She wanted to wear it for her wedding day, and that's when she showed me, and I was like, wow, it's so pretty.
So you can use it in different ways. You can mix it, and then you can mix it this way, however you can mix it all together, depending on the finish that you want.
Amazing. So I want it glowy and beautiful, so everything. We got some beautiful flowers and a goodie bag. I'm so excited to have some more Dior stuff. We are at Vision Works in Dainfern. This is where I got my specs from. They're actually doing a giveaway, so I'm just here today to take a photo for the giveaway, so you guys just look out for that, because you can win specs, which we know is really expensive. It is Friday!
Yo, like a day.
It is Friday. We are going to gym, and then we're going to create some content.
Friday!
Okay, so you guys actually chose this outfit. I'm gonna go and shoot it now with Kev. You guys wanted like a nude lip, no sunnies, no hat, like it's so simple, just a cute hairstyle, so I hope you like this. At the end of yesterday, I actually didn't even vlog that much. We kind of just came home and chilled and everything. So I think we're going. So we are heading out to Eastgate now. What now?
Yeah, weerlig sien.
Yes, jy laat my skrik man. So we are heading to Eastgate. It's like rainy weather now. Sommer uit die bloute. We're gonna see if we can. Look at how cute Kev looks, and his little guest watch as well. Okay guys, so I've changed my outfit a bit. I thought I'd come on here and just talk about it, because this is the stuff we usually cut out, and I got very irritated with myself today because I feel like my makeup didn't turn out like I wanted to, and my whole outfit didn't turn out like I wanted to. And then when we tried to take photos, like the lighting weren't nice and it's stormy outside, so it's just one of those days where you feel so negative about everything, and it like makes you question yourself, and makes you question yourself if you are good enough, if you start thinking, like I started thinking, what am I doing, like what am I busy with, you know? And I was really negative. So we're just walking around now, and then I got this message on Instagram from a girl named Thelma. She's a hairdresser, and she sent me this video of when I used to educate for Moroccan oil, and I did a seminar on so basically I did a little engaging sort of activity where you had to write your goals and put it in a ball, and she kept it, and she then showed it to me, and she was like, she wants to see if she made that goal. And that is like more than 3 years ago. And then I just felt like it was a sign, because I was feeling like, must I still do this, like what am I busy with? It's just like a bad day where you feel bad about yourself. And when I got that, I realized that back then I was dreaming about what I'm doing now and being able to do it full time. So it was actually like a real blessing to receive that message, and I thought I'd just share it with you guys, because I know we all go through it, you know. Sometimes we just cut out the parts where we don't feel good about ourselves, and that's why I really do appreciate it when you guys are saying I look gorgeous or I'm beautiful or stuff like that, I really take that compliment and appreciate it, because sometimes you go through stages where you don't feel great about yourself, and that is really the amazing thing with compliments as well, is when people give them to you, I don't know, it just makes you feel better. So ek net 'n bietjie shit gevoel aan myself.
Dis nie 'n reis nie, dis 'n journey. Toe sê ek vir hom exactly. Ek kon net nie glo hoe sleg my body eintlik is nie. Maar ja, soms toe tot progress begin wys. Toe sê hy, just push on my boetie. En dis al wat dit is. Just push on. Every day, push on. Push on. Dis al jy gaan results sien op die einde van die dag. En dis dieselfde met die lewe. If you feel disheartened en jy voel nie lekker nie, almal gaan na deur, we just push hard. Keep on pushing, keep on pushing.